Hey there, travelers! Ever found yourself in a last-minute situation where you need to change your flight? It can be a real headache, right? Well, fear not, because today we're going to guide you through the process of rebooking an Air Vistara flight step by step. So let's dive right in. Changing a flight can be a stressful experience, especially when unexpected circumstances arise. Knowing how to navigate through this process can save you time, money, and a lot of hassle. Now, why might you need to change your flight? It could be due to sudden changes in your schedule, personal emergencies, or even just a change of plans. But the real challenge comes when you have to deal with the potential obstacles that can arise, such as fees, availability issues, and restrictions. But fret not, we're here to help you through it all. Let's walk through the step-by-step process of changing your Air Vistara flight. First things first, check the airline's policy on flight changes. Be prepared for possible fees depending on the fare type you originally booked. Next, look for available flights that match your new schedule. Keep in mind that there may be restrictions on the dates or times you can change to. It's always a good idea to be flexible to increase your chances of finding a suitable alternative. Now, here comes the key moment: tips and hacks to make this process smoother and more cost-effective. Consider changing your flight during off-peak hours to potentially avoid hefty change fees. Also, joining the airline's loyalty program might give you access to waived fees or other perks. In conclusion, being prepared for unexpected changes when traveling is crucial. Always familiarize yourself with the airline's policies and have a backup plan in case things don't go as expected. Remember, a little knowledge and flexibility can go a long way in making your travel experience a breeze. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and hacks. Share your own experiences with changing flights in the comments below. Safe travels, everyone! Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.